Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 15. I'm going to quickly go over what we're doing this week. First and foremost, whenever you happen to be in school, be it, either Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever days that you're physically in school, I want you to focus on getting your Revit floor plan done for your Habitat for Humanity home. If you don't have it done, that's where I want you to focus first. I need you to get that done and completed in Revit. So that's your main focus first, because I don't think you should need much more time to complete that. I just want you to get that done ASAP. But then once you have that done, you can start focusing on what I have in here. First thing you'll see are two PowerPoints. They're not terribly long. There's not a lot of information on each slide, but there's some stuff in the notes that I want you to check out. So when you click on them, make sure you look at the notes portion as well as what's on the slide itself. So let me get one open for you so I can demonstrate that. If I can find one. Right here. You can see down here it says something in the notes, so I'd like you to make sure that you're checking that out too. So you're going to take notes on both of those PowerPoints and just turn them in down here. Either submit a Google Doc or a photo of your handwritten notes, whichever you do. And then once you have that done, we are moving down to the 2.3.7 residential site planning part 1. So it's kind of like a two-part thing. But part 1, you're going to use the files that I've given you to help you fill out the assignment. So I give you the affordable home site handout PDF file. So you can open this up. You can make it bigger. It's the site plan for where our affordable home will be located. So you can check that out. I also give the weather data for Indianapolis, where our site's going to be located. It will be in Indianapolis, Indiana. And that gives you a bunch of data on that and weather information. The last file you'll see is the Revit site plan file. We're not going to be messing around with this too much this week, but you can download it and open it if you would like to see it. Next week we'll probably be using it more. But this assignment, you're just going to open it up and fill it out just like you would with any assignment and submit it when you're finished. Just make sure you're answering all the questions and using the documents that I provided for you. So just two things this week, but I really want to make sure that everybody has their Habitat for Humanity floor plan done in Revit. At this point, it needs to be finished this week, period, end of story. Otherwise, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to shoot me a Schoology message, and I will see you guys in class.